How to create Figma account? Well, this is actually super easy. To get started, you will just have to head over to the link down below, eliaskrause.com/Figma, and this will then redirect you to this exact page. Maybe in the future this is going to look slightly different, but either way, you will just have to click on get started right here. Then this modal pop-up right here is going to show up, where you will then have the option to either just continue with Google, or you can just sign up using an email and a password. I will just continue with Google just to speed up this whole process, and then just going to select my account. I'm then going to click on continue, and now this is automatically going to redirect me right here. And as you can see, this would be then the actual setup page. You can then put in your name and so on. In my case, I will actually just skip these. I will just quickly go through these questions. It doesn't really matter what you're going to tick here either way. And I'm then just going to click on other. And I will then just for now select the starter plan. This is going to be completely free. However, if you do want to, you can actually also select the professional plan. Now, then just click on continue. I'm just going to click on design with Figma, and then I'm going to click on finish. And now our Figma account successfully has been set up. We are right now in the default project. We can opt out of this by clicking on back to files right here. And that's basically how it works.